Good morning. You woke up for a reason. You didn't just open your eyes. You stepped into a new timeline. Between sleep and waking lies the doorway to creation. You can choose to sit or lie comfortably. Either one is fine. Feel your spine lengthen. I want you to recognize right now that you are pure consciousness, expanding and awakening deeper and deeper. While we take this opportunity to tap into the infinite field of possibility and to really become an architect of your day. You can breathe in through the nose, holding for a second, and exhaling slowly through the mouth. Again, taking another deep, slow breath in, feeling your body wake, but your mind still soft, still open. You are between worlds where thought becomes matter. This is where you have access to your subconscious mind. With each exhale, let go of all that is not yours to carry. The world does not start out there. It starts in here. You can affirm to yourself as we go through these moments, I am the cause, not the effect. I am the signal, not the noise. I am the center of creation itself. Take a deep breath into that and feel your heart and your mind sinking into rhythm with each breath. Next, you can place one hand over your heart. Feel the pulse. This is the source of all creation within you, reminding you that you are here, alive. Breathe in through your heart. Exhale into the field around you. With each breath, expand your energy. Visualize your energy field around you expanding beyond the room, beyond your home, beyond your city, beyond your country, all the way out into the galaxy. Now repeat slowly as you feel this deeply within yourself, calm, strong, and radiant. I am awake. I am clear. I am powerful. I am guided, grounded, present, and protected. I am aligned with my truth. I am connected to the infinite intelligence that moves through all things. I am no longer an echo of my past. I am the author of my day. I magnetize infinite abundance because I am abundance itself. I move with purpose. I speak with precision. I lead with calm strength. I trust divine timing. I walk in rhythm with creation. Now let those words sink deeper than thought. Let them land in your body. You're not saying words. You're remembering who you are. Now let's bring that awareness into the version of you who is already living in full alignment. See them rise with calm certainty as you visualize your day unfolding. Visualize the success that you're experiencing. When you look down at your feet, visualize what you are wearing, how you are dressed, how you feel as you walk through the day. How do you feel? Remember, you're in the field of infinite possibility. There are no rules here. Is your mind clear? Is your heart open? Does your presence command peace? Remember, at any moment you have the choice to be whoever you want to be. And you can be him now. Breathe and repeat after me. I am the embodiment of discipline and ease. I am the bridge between spirit and structure. I am the vessel through which divine order flows. I am the calm within the storm. I am the man who walks in truth, even when it's silent. I am the man worthy of miracles. I am open to receive unexpected blessings with ease and grace. I am aligned with my highest purpose. I am a magnet to all opportunities. I am protected, guided, and supported in every step. I am the fullest expression of what it means to be living in my masculine truth. Feel these words as a vibration through your chest, a command to what you decide to live by. Now you can bring your focus back to your heart center. Feel the energy, the warmth, spreading and directing itself to your heart. You can imagine a golden thread of light shining in through your heart center. Let it expand all around you, up through your throat, your head, into your arms and fingertips, down your legs and throughout your entire body. Let this be the amplification of your energy, your unique broadcast signal. The field around you that you are infinitely a part of is not responding to what you want. It's responding to who you are being. And right now, you are being exactly that. It doesn't have to be more complicated than that. So simply just be that frequency. With your next breath in, breathing in love, self-love, self-acceptance, embracing the imperfection of life itself, breathing in gratitude. With every exhale, letting go of anything that is not serving you anymore. Stay here for a moment. Allow yourself to feel whatever you're feeling. As you continue the rhythm in your breath, you can repeat after me. My heart is open and strong. My energy is powerful. My presence transforms the spaces I enter. I am a vessel of truth, integrity, and grace. I am creating from alignment, not from need. I am safe to expand into greater levels of abundance. I trust life itself. I am the living bridge between heaven and earth. Feel your body right now, alive, electric, at peace. Gratitude is the seal. It anchors creation into form. At any moment, we have the power to be thankful, to live in the future that we are bringing into the now. You can say to yourself the following: thank you for this new day. Thank you for the breath that moves through me and into the world. Thank you for the clarity, for the strength, and for the guidance. Thank you for every unseen force aligning on my behalf. Thank you for the lessons that built me. Thank you for the miracles that are already on their way, that are here right now. Now with the next breath, you can inhale your future. Bring it into the now. Exhale the past. Anything that you don't need moving forward, you can let go of. Now with your next breath, anchoring in back to reality. When you open your eyes, you can wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly awakening in your own time as you step into this day. The frequency that you're in right now is setting the tone for how you experience the rest of this day. You are the one creating all of this. You create your experience. As within, so without. As above, so below. Carry this frequency. Walk it. Embody it. Today you are not waiting for miracles. You are the miracle itself.